So I was actually looking for free LLM API and happened to find Zenmux, right? And they have GLM 5.2 and Kimi Kit 2.7 for free this week, and maybe other models that will come in near future, right? So they are offering free API with their platform. You will require to be sign in through Google or GitHub or even email, right? One of these options should work. So I will go with the GitHub. It will require me to authorize, and once you authorize, it will take you to the dashboard, right? You have to also go through captcha, obviously, considering a lot of free stuff means you will have bots, right? Currently you can see the plans would look something like this, right? Free, pro, max, ultra. So if you pick the current plan, it will come under builder. You can also top up with some amount, and that would also help out, right? So go with the free plan for now, click next. And now once you go through all this, you will also notice that you can even do the referral system and get the credits. So it won't be always turning out to be a conversion unless someone buys. So it's kind of like depending on a chance that you earn those credits and so on. Meanwhile, I can actually check the settings to find the API, right? So here you can see, can pick the models, and here you can see you can set Z.AI, GLM 5.2 free and Kimi 2.7 free. These two models are free right now that you can set for there. Also step 1 and others, you can check through list what's available for free and so on. So each month they rotate something. So if you are seeing this outside June or July, you will find that the months list is found in settings, right? So here I will go with this default model for now, which is GLM 5.2. We have to keep it default balance. You can go with the price as well, and once you do that, that's it, default it will save. Now I want to get the API, so we have to find that part. So this is platform API. So API keys for querying account balance, subscription, etc. is from here. Then comes your subscription API. By default you have free option, and you can click next for 5-hour window or weekly window. Finally, usage and API value. So this pretty much can check for API, right? So here you can see we have to get 5 flows of our free plan, and we have GLM 5.2, so we would be taking the API from here, right? So let's see. Now in order to use this particular service in free context, you have to use chat or the video option. So if you check the available set of models, you can see the moonshot and Z.AI are 2 options from here, right? Rest of the others, like let's say the past 4.6 Z.AI is free, but very few models that you can use for free. Only 3 so far I have noticed, right? Now let's say you want to create something, right? Currently the limit is not really being given, but they have like 5-hour window and also the context limit, right? So the amount of queries you will do will be limited here, right? And I can basically test both these models, which is Z.AI GLM and also the moonshot, right? Let's see, we will ask and even ask some of the questions like what model are you, which we already know, but what are your coding capabilities, here in this chat, and what you can do, right? So you'll ask simple question like that and get answer, hopefully. And it takes a bit of time because it is free API, and I'm sure it is being spammed right now with all the signups and being used, right? So here you can see it can write code, explain, debug, refactor, translate, write test, and so on. What it cannot do is execute code natively, cannot access local environment, cannot deploy anything, and cannot guarantee security and stuff. So yes, currently it is working just fine. You can see I can also check the context. I can also adjust context if I want to, and here you can see responsive API, chat, and anthropic messages. These are some of the protocols we can go through, and pretty much a decent model to use for free from Zenmux. This is for 1 week of usage, so you can try this out within their chat playground.